Solve the equation. X plus 8 times the quantity 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 equals 0. Here we have a product equal to 0, so we know that we're going to use the zero factor property. However, before we do, we'll notice that our second factor can be factored further. So we'll do that first. We have x plus 8, and then we can factor the trinomial to 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Now we can use the zero factor property and set each factor equal to 0. We have x plus 8 equals 0, or 3x minus 1 equals 0, or 2x plus 5 equals 0. Now we solve each equation. Solving x plus 8 equals 0, we subtract 8 from both sides to get x equals negative 8. Solving 3x minus 1 equals 0, we add 1 to both sides to get 3x equals 1, and then we divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 1/3. Solving 2x plus 5 equals 0, we'll subtract 5 from both sides to get 2x equals negative 5, and then we divide both sides by 2 to get x equals negative 5/2. We can check each solution in the original equation. When we substitute negative 8 for x, we have 0 times the second factor, which is equal to 0. When we substitute 1/3 in for x, our second factor is equal to 0, so we have 1/3 plus 8 all times 0, which is 0. And similarly, when we substitute negative 5/2 in for x, the second factor is equal to 0, so we have negative 5/2 plus 8 all times 0, which is 0. The solutions check, and so our solution set is the set containing negative 8, negative 5/2, and 1/3.